Can y'all see me? Okay. Hey y'all! It's your girl, Fine Ass Nigerian, back at it again with another video. So today I have some hair to review.
Hold on. What are you doing?
Girl, get out of my video. What you mean? I'm Fine Ass Nigerian. What you
doing? What is you doing?
I was trying to review some hair.
What are you doing about?
Y'all.
Everyday fans? I am the real fans Nigerian.
I am the real Fine Ass Nigerian. I'm not even Nigerian though.
Right. Yeah, she don't know. Now you know she lying. She don't know. I just said, what is your name? Oh man.
Can I just do it? Please just review it.
Okay, sit down. You're gonna review. Sit down. Alright, let's. Alright guys, so today I have my friend Tracy over here. She drove like an hour all the way out here to get her hair done by me. Y'all know, cause I'm the best, you feel me? I really be trying to tell y'all that I'm the best, but before we get started, I'm gonna tell y'all we already braided her hair. So today, what did you bring in today?
Nadula hair.
She brought in the Nadula hair. If you guys don't know, this is also, I think, the hair that Queen Niger is always uses. I think she's like sponsored by this company also. So I was like, what? Nadula hair? Yes, let's review it. And so we got Nadula hair. How much did you pay for this hair?
Probably like 300 total.
So she paid 300 total for 3 bundles and 4 bundles
and a closure. I got 24.
The 24, is that the longest?
I got 2 24s.
Okay.
And 2 22s. And this is the 22.
So 2 22s, 2 24s, 4 bundles, and a frontal lace closure. How long is this closure?
20 inch.
Yes, because it looks pretty long. And the 20-inch closure for $300. I think this is a steal, honestly. I think it's a steal, and the hair is pretty soft. This is the loose wave, and I actually advised her to get like a loose curly wave because it would be easy for her to like easily like get a water wave curl, and it would also be easy to flat iron, as you can see, because yeah, it's gonna be easy to flat iron to get a straight style and a curly style. So it's always good to go with loose curly. Alrighty, so that will be all for this little video reviews. We're gonna be back and I'm gonna tell you guys more about it, about the weft, after I finish sewing. So we're gonna get to work now and I'll be back. So this is the Nadula hair, guys. This is after I had finished installing it. 4 bundles, all 4 bundles, and a closure. 4 bundles and a closure. It is very full, and as you guys can see, its natural curl was loose curl, and I just did a very light flat ironing and we were able to get this type of straightening. So imagine when I actually go back in the second time to flat iron, it will be super straight and super perfect. And this was just a light straightening. That's the closure. Nadula. Just the right super soft. Okay guys, this is the finished look with Tracy. I bet you I didn't know I'd be slaying though. But yeah, this Nadula hair is actually very soft. It is the Malaysian. The 20 closure was 20 and the bundles was 222s and 224s. And this is what it looks like when it's straight. The initial curl was in loose curl and we, you know, did a little flat ironing, and you know, this is the finished look. That is all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.